touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it.
What's up, riders? Chevy here, and I'm back with another vlog for y'all today. If you're new to the ride, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back to the ride. Y'all, it is Vlogmas. It's Vlogtober, day 4. So if you ain't been watching the other 3, if you ain't seen the other 3 videos, go check them videos out. You know what I'm saying? Like the video, share the videos out, because we on the road. We got to get it going. We got to get it going. We got to get it going. Get back. So today, though, I didn't want to vlog going to work. I just didn't feel like doing that. Because I want to do that every day. Y'all want to see that every day? We going to work and getting up and getting ready? I didn't really do a get ready yesterday. I did a just, washing my face, brushing my teeth type thing. But yeah, I really think I'm about to figure out what I'm going to eat. And I'm about to fry this chicken. So y'all come help me figure out what I'm about to eat with the chicken. Because I don't know what to fix with the chicken. Yes, I do. But y'all just going to come with me. Come season it up. Because I want to fry some chicken like, you know how to use the egg wash? And something else. But I don't know what else, so I got to figure that out. Well, my best friend told me cornstarch. I don't have no cornstarch. Okay? So, I need to figure out if you can just use the egg wash and the flour and seasoning, season it up like normal. You feel me? Okay, good. So, or just comment down below and tell me, give me some tips on how you can fry chicken. The best fried chicken with that crisp, like when you do it with cornstarch. Yeah, tell me that. Okay? Cherry's just laying down because she's chilling. So, let's get into this chicken. I'm finna clean it and stuff and all that and get it together. And I'll see y'all in the next clip, okay? Okay. Ready for my meal that I'm finna cook, okay? So, y'all, if y'all got these pots, you ought to get them. Because you hear me. 5 these pots and pans. My sister got me these for my birthday. Christmas. And I'm just opening them, literally. And they call Blue Diamond. 5, y'all. Good pots. You ain't got nothing, you should get you some. Yeah, I'm gonna fry this chicken up. Rinse it off. Rinse off the chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got some chicken wings. I'm gonna have somebody call me. Some like chicken flavored noodles with it and some broccoli. I wish I have some Brussels sprouts, but I don't. So, yeah. So, y'all just watch me cook this food real quick. Fry me up some wings. Fry hard, period. And I'm finna clean up, because I can't cook in my kitchen being in a mess. So, I'm finna, just get the stuff up over here. These pots. Wipe my stove off. That's it, really. That's it. So, be right back. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. I know you can't see that. See y'all later. All right, y'all, my grease is heating up for my chicken. Y'all got them all seasoned. I need some, I feel like I need some milk on them. That's it, I think. That bagel tastes good. They smell real hickory and honey. Ow! I think I'm gonna make some Kool-Aid. And yeah. I'll be back, y'all, in a minute. Because everything is getting ready. Broccoli in the freezer. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get that. Broccoli in the freezer. Yeah, broccoli in the freezer. And then I'm gonna have some chicken flavored noodles with that. You know, I know it's chicken. Good old Nora. Okay? Period. Yeah, I got one more. Yeah, that's the one. Not long, baby. Where's my ketchup? Oh, this one? But alright, y'all. See y'all in a minute. While everything heats up. Everything go, all the sides gonna last, of course. If you know how to cook, you know you cook your sides last, meat first, right? Period. See y'all in a minute. It got a little dark, y'all. I'm gonna take the chicken out. It's a little dark because I started almost, the grease started going over because this pot is too small and I knew better than to use it. But I didn't feel like cleaning off of this one. I'm lazy and I'm tired. And I gotta feel everything. So, 2 more in here. Broccoli's over here. Macaroni and cheese back there. Just for tonight. I'm gonna have some for lunch tomorrow. I'm gonna have tonight. And tomorrow, I'm gonna take food to lunch. See you in a minute, cause the food, it ain't almost done. So we got a little bit. I gotta clean up this grease, cause the grease is still all along on the outside. It's almost making a fire. Cause it's over. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be there in a minute. Alright, y'all, so this is what I got going on thus far. Mac and cheese is boiling. Broccoli is broccoli. That's it. Alright. So everything is looking good, looking great. Y'all, I was trying to say that the chicken is a little dark today. That grease is fresh too. But it's soaked in that grease. That pissed me off. It's soaked in that grease because I had to take it off the grease to get so it didn't start a fire. So yeah, it's okay. Still gonna get egg. You know, I do know how to fry chicken, but I had that was a moment. But I'm finished up. I see y'all when I get my plate, and that's gonna be that on this floor. Okay, four. Period. I need a word. I'll let y'all know. See y'all in a minute, okay? In a minute. You want to say hi to Big Mud? Say hi. Say hi. Cherish. Say hi. Stop trying to find something to eat. Because ain't nothing. I just mopped this floor. Yeah, you, Miss Thing. Go sit. Go sit down. Good girl. Go sit down. Sit. Good girl. That's my big girl. Stay. That mama big girl. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Eating. My plate is made. Right? Good eats. Y'all, I'm out of hot sauce. So, like, what? Completely out of hot sauce. I got some ranch, but I ain't feeling that tonight. But here's my plate. Food is all cooked. Period. 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 A period. 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 Children, look at her. What you doing? Come say hi. Come say hi. Come on. Come on, look up here. Look, chicken butt. Look. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She see this plate, y'all. Say hi. Look, look. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Mama let that baby. I can't wait till her hair grow back, y'all. Like, for real. I took her for a walk and everybody loves her so much. Like, oh my God, she's so cute. Oh my God, that's cute. Well, this, I don't like this, okay? It's like a rock star up here. And I don't know what back here. Hi. This mama baby. This mama baby, ain't it? Yes, it is. She love to be loved on. She love to be loved on. Does that baby love to be loved on her? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And yes, I'm about to go wash my hands again because I'm holding her. You want some loving, don't you? I want some loving. I want some loving with your mama. I want some loving with her mama. No. See? You don't want no love. You don't want no love. You just want to get to the plate and you're not getting it. You're not getting it. No, ma'am. See y'all later. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe. Please leave a comment down below. Amen. Because I just took my bite. Ready to eat. That's my food now. Oh. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna eat. Have to edit another video. And I'm just finna keep it going. Okay? But love y'all. Keep riding. Let's see you in the next vlog. Next vlog. Next vlog. This ends Vlogtober day 4.
I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it.
Promise.